How Elephants Lost Their Wings. Retold by Leslie Sims. Designed and illustrated by Katie Lovell. Reading consultant Allison Kelly. Roehampton University. This story is about flying elephants, two gods, houses, peacocks, and banana trees. Once upon a time, elephants could fly. They flew everywhere. They flew high into the sky and down to the ground. They even looped the loop. Sometimes the gods flew on their backs. But the elephants were noisy. They yelled and crowed like roosters. Trees and houses shook them below them. Cock-a-doodle-doo. They flew into trees and smashed them. They landed on houses and fell right through. Soon all the trees were broken and there were no houses left. We must stop them, said the gods, and they thought of a trick. They invited the elephants to a grand feast. The elephants ate and ate. When their tummies were full, they slept. The gods took away their wings. They gave them to the peacocks and the banana trees. The elephants were very cross. They shouted and they stomped. But they didn't get their wings back and they never flew again. Puzzles. Puzzle 1. Find these things in the picture. Elephant, trunk, houses, hill, tree, wings. Puzzle 2. Can you spot the difference between these two pictures? There are 6 to find. Puzzle 3. Put the pictures in order. A, B, C, D, E. What happened next? Puzzle 4. A or B? Puzzle 5. A or B? Answers to puzzles. Puzzle 1. Wings, trunk, elephant, tree, houses, hill. Puzzle 2. You can see there's the bird is flying in a different direction. There are green bananas in the second picture, and there is something a different color. The bird is a different color. There are two birds. There are two birds as well. Puzzle 3. D, E, B, C, D, C, A. Puzzle 4. B. Puzzle 5. A. How Elephants Lost Their Wings is based on a folk tale from India.